Now, children, today we are going to start with chapter 12. Let's communicate. So, in this chapter, we will study about means of communication. We have two means of communication, personal and mass means of communication. So, Renu's father has been transferred to another city. Anu is worried as how she will be in touch with her friend. Her father tells us about the different means of communication she can use for this purpose. Right? When two or more people exchange information, ideas, or views with each other, we say that they are communicating. So, we do not need any means of communication when we communicate face to face. But we need a means of communication when we want to communicate with person who is away from us. So, we can put the different means of communication into two groups, that is personal communication and mass communication. So, first is means of personal communication, when you have to communicate with the one people, right? So, first we have letters, that is the first means of written communication. If we talk about earlier, they were sent through trained pigeons or special message. Nowadays, we have proper network of postal system, and there are more than 1,50,000 post office in our country. And you can buy inland letters and postcard from the post office. We can write our message on them, and we can even write our message on a plain paper and put inside it. Right? So these letters, they are sent to their destination by buses, train, aeroplanes or ship. They reach their destination in few days. अर्जेंट लेटर्स जो होता है वो किसको हम स्पीड पोस्ट और कॉरियर सर्विस के थ्रू सेंड करते हैं. So we have telephone, which is invented by Alexander Graham Bell. It was the first means of verbal communication. We can use a telephone to talk to the people within the city, in another cities and in other countries. So it is the fastest means of communication. As you know that telephone has two types, landline phones and mobile phones. Landline phones are fixed at one place. Mobile phones can be carried us even everywhere. We have fax. We can send the written message and pictures instantly through telephone lines using fax, and fax is the short form of facsimile automatic Xerox. If we talk about email, it's electronic mail and it is form of written message sent through a computer, जो किससे कनेक्टेड होता है आपके इंटरनेट से. And most computers all over the world, they are connected to each other. So here are some questions given. You have to answer them. Let's move towards the next topic, that is means of mass communication. When we have to communicate with large number of people. एक group में जब हमें बात करनी होती है. So we use newspaper and magazine. If we talk about newspaper, what they carry? Latest information and news over here. They reach a large number of people every day. Magazines weekly, fortnight, monthly होती है. And they're the good means of mass communication, and what they provide very useful information to us. Then we have radio and television. Message can also be sent through radio and television to a large number of people. And these means of communication, what they provide us information as well as entertainment. Messages can be heard on a radio, but on a television, they can be viewed also. Then we have internet. You know that internet connects millions of computers all across the world. Message can be exchanged to the internet through Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp. That has the people to share information to a large number of people instantly. Right? So here, radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi, but television किसने invent करा था? John Logie Baird. So what does the mass means? You have to answer these questions. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Keep enjoying, keep learning with me. Thank you.